I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, this video we are going to talk about what are the different strategies of actually making the big profits in the crypto. We all have heard of the stories, a taxi driver probably becoming a billionaire 4 years down the line, or probably one guy who used to work in a grocery store eventually made hundreds of millions of dollars, and literally those stories are true within the crypto market. So the question is how actually these people made that sum of money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the examples, like what could have happened, like how the transition came. Like, for example, the first point itself is somebody who converted from $35,000 to $35 million. What is the exact strategy that they applied? And then we are going to dissect what makes that big investment, as well as I'm going to show you, like, even the risk management is there. In fact, risk management needs to be done far more than anything else, because majority of the people lose. Apart from the big gain stories, the people who just try to do the shortcut, just try to get in quick or get in at the top, like, probably even get slaughtered really bad. So make sure you watch the video again, complete it till the end. And this is another part of the video series that we have been talking about. And again, guys, uh, if you have not already signed up to the crypto exchange, I have been consistently talking about, like, you get a huge amount of extra bonuses by signing up through our referral link. There's a QR code that is appearing on the left side of the screen. You just scan that QR code, you'll be directly taken to Binance registration page. Within couple of, like, within few seconds, probably 30-40 seconds, you will be able to complete your registration. If you do not want to use the QR code, you can utilize the link somewhere in the description around. You click on that link, again you'll be taken to registration page, and you will be getting a lot of extra bonuses for signing through that link, and it is just 30-40 seconds process. So make sure you make your account at the best exchange, and that exchange is Binance. So what are the different strategies? The first guy, one influencer, actually converted his $35,000 into $35 million into 2.5 years. What is the exact strategy? And literally he broke down the amount of investment that he made. So he picked 7 coins. Like, obviously he might have made a lot of other investments which might have failed. This is the successful investment. He picked 7 coins, invested $5,000 each, and he picked those coins because he believed probably they have a really great vision and they are going to change the world in the future. And they were at a really low price at that time, low market cap. What were the coins? BNB, the Binance coin, probably at 32 cents or something. That was the value at that time when he invested. There was Phantom, there was Solana, there was RView, there was Luna. All these coins, like the best of the coins at that time. 7 coins, 5,000 each. 2.5 years down the line, 2021 bull market, he made $35 million out of them. The best of the investment, the BNB, the Binance coin, actually 32 cents in the bull market top 2021, it reached to the height of $650. That means his $5,000 got converted to $12.5 million. Literally, that is possible out there in the crypto. If you try to dig down, what was the ingredient to make something like that possible? The ingredient was the transition from the bear market to the bull market. You buy really cheap coins into the bear market and then give them enough time till the bull market. You should have the patience till the bull market. 2.5 years he waited till the next bull market or next halving, and he bought those coins when they were really cheap, and he believed in the vision of the coin. The best of the performance coin was the BNB. It was an exchange. It had got the mass adoption. Right now 28 million users use the BNB, Binance exchange. It generates millions of dollars in revenues. Definitely one of the biggest success. So if you are able to identify the coins which really have a great project backings, which are really cheap in price, and during the depths of the bear market, you invest into them and then wait till the bull market, and they have the potential for the mass adoption. That mass number of people will be impacted by it, as well as they have the potential to generate the revenue. Those will be your best of the investment. So this is just to give you the ingredients that these are the coins, and then give them enough time to actually do their thing. 2.5 years is a great amount of time to actually bring those mass adoption thing that we are talking about. That is one of the story, and I hope that might be helpful for you guys to make the decision. Now, the other one, like probably the other point I wanted to make, there was a Polygon or Matic, which is like making so much of the name, like this particular crypto right now trading at 90 cents. We have been talking about it a lot in our, earlier I've been a fan of it. In fact, from 30 cents, like I was talking about, probably people need to buy when it dropped to 30 cents. By the way, it was 2019, it was trading at less than 1 cent. At the height of 2021 bull market, it reached $2.91. That means you would have made 291x or 200x, like to be fair, like to be very safe on the safe side, at least 200x. That means $5,000 would have been converted into $1 million if somebody would have invested at that time. And how you could have known? It was, again, the same ingredient. It was the depths of the bear market. The coin had the potential for the mass adoption, and it delivered. It actually got the mass adoption. It provided Ethereum a scaling solution when the mass adoption happened, and then when the bull market came. All these three things combined, bam, that was the mega life-changing gain that people could have made via the altcoin. Now, the next category of like the benefits, like the next category of thing, the ICO, the initial coin offering. That means the first coin that is offered highly cheap, like when any of the coin launches. But because just the coin is launching, there are countless hundreds of projects. Like out of 100, probably 95 projects do not perform well. It is just quick pump and dump. Probably some people buy and then they immediately dump. They might be dumping onto you. The project gets scrapped. So you have to put your trust onto the things. So how do you put the trust? You will actually need to behave like the investors, professional investors. Investigate the team, investigate the project, investigate the vision. In fact, investigate the people who are running it. And then put your trust onto them. You buy them cheap. BNB was launched like probably 20 cents. Just imagine 3000x somebody would have made at the bull market top. Ethereum, we are talking how much? Probably more than 10,000x at the bull market top. If 30 cents ICO, if somebody would have invested, right? So that is the point. Probably you should have you need to practice onto the ability of identifying when the coin is launching. That's when you go and investigate everything about them and then bet onto them and then give them enough time till the next bull market for them to perform its thing. And then when the bull market comes, that's when you make the mega gains. Now, having said that, I also should be talking about the risk. People should be cautious. Why should I be cautious about? Because it's all the good stories, right? So you should not be blind to invest. Look at Luna crash. The Luna was like trading at $100 or something. One guy literally had 60% of his portfolio into Luna. That was more than $100 million. He lost entire thing within 3 days. Luna crashed to zero. What happened to Luna? The project failed. Nobody rug pulled. It was not a scam. The project did not work out. Axie Infinity, at the top, like people would have made 1000x from 2019 bear market to bull market. But if somebody would have bought in the bull market, that was $168. Right now it is trading at $14. So these are the mistakes that you need to be sure that normally people are attracted within the crypto market when everything is bullish, the media is hyping, everything is like going great. And those are the times when you get into it, the price are really sky high. And that's when you get in, probably after a certain point of time, the bear market is going to hit and you might lose a big amount of investment. So you need to be watching the best of the opportunities, probably when the coin is launching, when the depths of the bear market is going on and the mass adoption is yet to happen. Depths of the bear market and the coins that you believe can change the world. These should be your checklist, and then you wait till the bull market. And even the coins that can change the world, if you're investing in the bull market, expect a 90% crash in the altcoins. Now, the altcoins means any coins apart from Bitcoin, they follow the Bitcoin. So that means when the Bitcoin is trending up, like Bitcoin trends probably 10% lower, all the other altcoins drop 30%. That's what they follow. If Bitcoin gets 10% up, a lot of coins get 20% to 25 to 30% up. So we need to be making sure, again, we are transitioning from the depths of the bear. Like currently the bear market is going on, probably 2022 September bear market is going on, depths of the bear market. And the next thing that we are seeing, let's say 1 year down the line, 2 years down the line, we are seeing from the bear market to the bull market shifting. That's when you can make the maximum gains in the altcoins. But let's say somebody who have invested in 2021 bull market to bear market transition, that is brutal, guys. A lot of altcoins have lost 95%, some of them 99% of the value. You do not want to witness it. And that is the reason I wanted to show it to the people as well, that doesn't matter when the macro trend, when the economic factor is bad, everything tanks, everything like altcoins tank badly. Now all these things are there. So what are the ingredients? Like if you try to summarize it, like obviously one guy made $35,000, $35 million. Polygon crypto, you could have made 200, 300x. BNB, you could have made 1000x. Ethereum could have made 10,000x, right? All that thing, the ingredient, you buy really, really cheap when you're investing into the altcoins, and the coins that can actually bring the mass adoption, that can actually generate the revenue. And both the things combined, you get mega gains like BNB, right? Even it generates the revenue, it brought the mass adoption. Make sure you transition from bear market to the bull market. That's when you want to ride the wave. Make sure that you do not ride the wave from bull market to the bear market. And when you're riding the wave during the bull market, then be very cautious that when the crash is about to happen, probably you need to get out. Probably take the first loss. Let's say you've lost 10%, 15%, take the first loss and then just wait, because you do not want to lose 90% of your portfolio. So again, guys, I hope that you found the video helpful. And this was like another part of the series. And I hope that we are transitioning well in the entire training. And again, if you have not joined the Binance to buy your first crypto, because crypto is here to stay, the metaverse is here to stay, all these things are related with each other. So you do not want to miss out onto this. Scan the QR code, sign up to the best exchange, that is Binance, as well as probably if you do not want to scan the QR code, use the link in the description, sign up to the Binance, the best exchange, and 30-40 seconds and buy your crypto, buy your metaverse crypto. Just try to see how can you multiply the money. Probably you can multiply $100 to $200. We'll also be making more training videos in the future. How do you do the trading, leverage trading and all that thing, so that in the futures you can literally multiply your money well. So that's it, guys, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video series. Bye-bye.